so I lied. We haven't quite wrapped this gig up. But hey, you're having fun, right? There's a double gate that leads on through to our next location. Find it.
I've sniffed him out! Call your stuff!
Careful. There's a bigot guarding the gate. If he sees you, he'll call his cheery buddies.
Woohoo! Everywhere! It's almost complete. Don't let him kill me! Guys! Guys! Oh, I didn't mean any of that stuff. I wasn't going to scalp you. Give me some fucking help here, I'll kill the fucking lot. I've been looking forward to this. I ain't begging you no money,
Bodies are starting to pile up nicely. We're getting some great footage.
Scared! Scared! Just get off of me! I don't have it! I'm your superior! I was just messing with you! You can take a joke, can't you? Free! Longer like you ain't got the right to take the white life! Made you
A few more like that, and these boys are gonna be extinct.
Always.
You hacked them all. I knew you'd be my golden boy. Yeah! There's a nailgun in that trailer. If you can stand the smell.
One dead man. Break the brick. Come on, soldier. Hot skins. What you waiting for? Get it over with!
keep your filthy hands off me! You ain't taking my scalp!
Let you out that easily, did you? It's an electric lock. Find the release switch. Use your eyes and ears when you make it.
Somebody get that prick out! White power! I'm gonna get you first, boy! I'm sorry. He's laughing at you. Make him scream! Get over! Ain't nowhere to hide! This don't settle a thing! Not a thing! Mongrel! Tainted blood! You ain't Aryan sons! You're all acting like...
Brothers, the filthy accent!
Give me...
A defiled lamb!
Ah!